Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. I'm your health educator Tanisha Lawrence, and this is your Monday Meds. Yes, your Monday Meds. So as we continue with the What to Do When There's No Doctor series, for those of you who have been watching, liking, sharing, commenting, thank you so much, and we do welcome your feedback. This feature, What to Do When There's No Doctor, if you had not seen it from last year, so it is a feature that is to help you to know what to do when there's no medical care around or accessible, what you can do at home. And so, what to do when there is no doctor? Use garlic. Yep, use garlic. So you've seen us talked about garlic numerous times. We showed you how we do the garlic oil. Yes, remember it? Yes. So garlic is a natural antibiotics. And this month we are going to be focusing on antibiotics, natural antibiotics that you have in your house. And so garlic, yep, garlic can be used. You can use the skin, and you can use the garlic itself. Very powerful. And you can also use the plant. Yes, we showed you that how to sprout or transplant garlic before, so definitely check in the description section of this video. So keep watching, we'll show you how you can use garlic as a natural antibiotic. Disclaimer: I am no medical doctor, and so these natural remedies are shared as recommendations. Use considerately. Garlic has been used as food and also medicine dating back from Bible times. Yes, garlic is one versatile medicine. Garlic has numerous properties. However, we will focus on its antimicrobial property, or simply put, the use of garlic as a natural antibiotic. Garlic is comparable to penicillin. Yes, garlic is as equal to penicillin, but does not have the harmful effects as penicillin. As we know, garlic is a great remedy for colds, but did you know garlic is great for parasites and infections? Yes, garlic is awesome for fighting parasites and infections within your body. Garlic oil can also be used for earache. Yes, it can be used for an ear infection. I would recommend using a Q-tip to help in the application of the oil to the ear, the inner ear. But go light, as you don't want to push the Q-tip too far down in the inner ear. Dip the Q-tip in the garlic oil, apply lightly to the affected inner ear. For best results, you can use a few drops of garlic oil to the infected ear. Here we're using garlic oil as a natural remedy for ringworm. Also, you can use it to strengthen your nails, especially if you have whitlow finger. Yes, so if you have whitlow in your fingernails, you can use garlic oil to help you get rid of it. Garlic, with its natural antibiotics, will help to soften, the garlic oil will help to soften your nails and your cuticles. Garlic can also be used to remove corn from your toes. Also, garlic is great for yeast infections. Garlic is also good for tooth decay. It will help with cavity and also to reduce excruciating pain and abscess. You can use a piece of garlic, mash a piece of garlic, and put it in your mouth and chew on it to aid with tooth decay. Garlic is packed with 17 of the 22 amino acids, great for body's optimal performance. It is also packed with vitamins A, C, B1, and minerals such as selenium, iron, copper, calcium, zinc, potassium, sulfur, and germanium. As you may know, garlic is great for high blood pressure as it helps to reduce the blood pressure flow in the body. However, you do not want to use too much garlic within your diet as it can lower your blood pressure to the point that it causes you to be dizzy or it can cause you to become unconscious. For best results, garlic should be eaten in its raw state to preserve its nutrients. However, if you're not able to stomach it, you can cook it, but place it in the latter part of your cooking. So, what to do when there's no doctor? Use garlic. Yes, garlic is one of the foods you do not want to ever be out of. You definitely want to always have garlic in your house. So, as you saw, garlic is very versatile and it can be used in many ways to help you in emergency situations. And as we wrap up Monday Meds today, I'm reminded of the Bible verse that talks about, and the leaves of the tree shall be for the healing of the nations. And so, use garlic to heal your body. I would go a step further to say use garlic to heal your mind, your body, and also your spirit. And God be with you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.